The listing editor in Listadum looks a lot like the one on Etsy.com, but it's supercharged with data and tools. On top of detecting issues and showing you your completion score, the editor will give you everything you need to fix those issues right here in one place. For example, if your images are too low resolution, you can run them through the image upscaler to make them bigger and sharper in one click. If you are missing alt text on some of your images, just use the alt text generator to create description that will help with SEO. Or you can click this button to apply your listing title as alt text for all photos that are missing it. If your listing doesn't have a video, you can generate one instantly with the video generator. Select one or more photos that you'd like to see in your video. You can also use some from your review images if you have any. You can also customize the video style, and voila, a video generated for you, ready to be uploaded to Etsy. You will also find AI helpers that can help you rewrite your titles and description, making sure your more important keywords are included naturally. You can also improve your writing, make things shorter or longer, fix your spelling and grammar, which can be especially useful if English is not your first language. And speaking of keywords, the editor includes both a keyword explorer and a keyword idea generator so that you can research demand and competition without having to leave the page. You can see additional information about each keyword, how your own listing is performing against it, but also information about demand and competition, link keywords, related keywords, etc. All of this is designed to make editing faster, smarter, and easier. So instead of just spotting problems, you have the tools to actually fix them on the spot. And once you are done, simply go to the bottom and save your changes. They will be published right away to your Etsy shop.